Welcome to COME2CI, where you can publish trademark sales, purchase advertisements, and search for trademarks on sale in our data. But before getting access to all the features, you need to be a user of COME2CI. Indeed, it is essential to create a user account before having access to the whole website. This allows you to have traceability on the ads and ensure better security. There are 3 ways to create an account, either by clicking on the user icon, on Buy a Trademark, or Sell a Trademark. The registration box will pop up automatically. Click the registration account below the pop-up window to enter the next page. Follow the registration steps, fill in all the required information, read and accept all the essential conditions, and click on Create My Account. Then you will receive a message in your mailbox to activate your account. Once you have finished, enter your email and password in the pop-up window and click Stay Signed In to save your password for the next time. Click Sell a Trademark in the top navigation bar and complete the essential information for a trademark sale advertisement. Careful, the provided information must be authentic, valid, complete, and accurate to avoid any subsequent disputes or legitimate. Please note that trademarks and litigations or pledges can only be put online when their situation has changed. Follow the steps and fill in all the required fields with the asterisks. Once you've completed the information, click on Put on a Sale. Choose if you'd like to grant COME2CI 3-month exclusive sales rights. The exclusivity agreement allows you to benefit from advantages such as implement a customized communication strategy, demonstrate the value of the brand and increase its visibility, intensive communication via our platform or via our internal networks during the exclusivity period reduces the sales cycle of your brand. Exclusivity is the most efficient way to avoid the use of intermediaries and respect the rights and interests of our platforms. Read and accept the general use condition sellers or the exclusive accord. Your request for putting on sale will be submitted to COME2CI for verification of existence. After that, you can enter your user space to view the details of your trademarks and which the sale status is under verification. In your user space, you can manage your trademarks by doing operations such as withdrawing the sale request, modifying the trademark information, removing the trademark from the sale, selecting multiple trademarks to put them in your portfolio to sell, etc. Once the back-end administrator confirms the trademark's information within 24-hour delay, the sale status of your brand will change to on sale. After that, the ad can be seen by all users. Click Buy a Trademark in the top navigation bar to enter the trademark search page and filter trademarks by keyword, advanced search, or sort criteria. If you find a trademark you are interested in, you can enter the trademark details page to learn more about it. Then you can click Contact to contact COME2CI, and we will assist you in the negotiation of the sellers to help you reach completion. If you cannot find a suitable brand, you can also click Research Ads in the column Buy a Trademark to publish your demands. Fill in the application information and the required fields and click Submit, then Confirm. Once validated by our site, it will be visible on the platform and we will also communicate your request to the internal network. COME2CI also offers other services in the Additional Services tab.